Good morning, everyone. It's 15th September. Let's quickly look at the headlines of the day in the Hindu newspaper. The first headline says, PM alleges plot to change mix of border population. It is very important for governance and polity perspective as well as internal security perspective. Looking at the second news, pendency continues to plague SC as a case backlog hits all-time high. Very important for polity and governance as well as social justice. Now, highest ratio of females married under 18 from West Bengal. SRS data, very important for society perspective. GS paper 1. Moving ahead, no competition between Hindi and other Indian languages, says Home Minister Amit Shah. Very important for society and culture, paper 1 perspective, and polity and governance, paper 2 perspective. Kerala to launch 3-phase campaign to mitigate human-wildlife conflict. Very important for environment perspective. Moving ahead, in page 6, we have a year since launch, expanded AD TMJ for people aged over 70, yet to be rolled out in Tamil Nadu. Important for GS paper 2 and GS paper 3, polity and governance, economy and development perspective. Now look at this picture. This picture is very important. It talks about red sand dunes which have been found in Andhra Pradesh. Look at this picture. It's a very important picture. Now moving ahead, we have the editorial page. The editorial page today is very important. Almost all the editorials are pretty important. Positioning India in an unruly world, cutting off online gaming with the scissors of prohibition. India seems set for a period of low inflation and relatively high growth. Then silver of hope, an inclusive vision of conservation can protect more habitats. Environment perspective, very important news. Bringing global education home. Then here, cotton import duty cuts, the farms versus firms debate. Very important. Now moving ahead, we have how serious is the global plastic pollution crisis. It is very important for environment perspective. Moving ahead, we have women's reservation law will grant them rightful place in governance, says LS Speaker. Important for polity and governance as well as GS1 society perspective. Moving ahead, we have PM inaugurates India's first bamboo-based ethanol plant. Very important for GS3 economy, environment and science and tech perspective. Moving ahead, we have stop paying more for being a woman, avoid pink taxi. Important for GS1 society perspective. Now, in the world page, we have many news related to the international relations. First, violation of Romanian airspace by Russian drones. Unacceptable, says the European Union. International relations perspective in important news. Pakistan's flood spending budget agility to be reviewed, says IMF. Important for our international relations and disaster management as well. Then, China hails Nepal ties, congratulates new PM Karki. International relations perspective, very important. Ukraine launches drones at major Russian refinery. Palestinian flee Gaza city as Israel issues evacuation warnings. Russia flees military muscles with hypersonic missiles and bombers. International relations perspective, it's a very important news. And that's it for today. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.